There are three groups of people that make money with WordPress, and these are the developers, the web designers, and those that promote these products. So let's take a look and see which one would be ideal for us to go with when it comes to WordPress. So if you're a developer, definitely this is a good way to go, because if you develop amazing products which solve many, many problems, then you are going to be in a very good position to make a lot of money. But the one I'm mostly interested in is the one where we are actually designing websites for clients, because from what I found out, there are thousands of companies that don't have websites. These are small businesses that I'm talking about, by the way. So if we find a creative way of reaching out to these small businesses to offer our solutions, then this is a big chance of making money. Now, also bear in mind that there are also quite a lot of companies that are failing. I think if I remember well, the failure rate is about 90-something%. There are also other companies or other people that are coming into the business world who are trying to make money in business. So you can imagine that this is something that's going to be a cycling. So you're going to always get people, not being successful in business, and you're also going to get a group of people being successful in business year after year. So with these web design solutions, it is very, very easy now for us to target companies, be it brick and mortar or even personal trainers, maybe anyone who has a business online, approach them with a way that they can help their business. So one way that you would want to use in order for you to attract these customers is there's always one thing or one major thing, or maybe let's make it two major things that any small business needs. And these are leads and sales. So if you approach any small business owner, no one is going to say no to getting new customers or selling more of what they already sell. Thankfully, there are a lot of products online that help us achieve this. So we have e-commerce, we have email automation. I mean, there's a lot of things. But what really got me excited, or what really triggered me to create this video, was the fact that there's a new plugin or a new service called Fluent Boards. Now, Fluent Boards is fantastic because it allows us to control what is happening in any small business. Because what I realized is when it comes to tasks and giving your team some work to do or some tasks, it can be very, very difficult to manage. But with Fluent Boards, it is fantastic because you can assign tasks and monitor them and see who has completed it. And you can also tie in clients with it, which is really, really good, all on your actual website. So I think we have come to a point where we have quite a lot of tools that enable us to create systems for a small business to work efficiently. We can do email automation, we can do task management now, we can also do emails, and we can also do backups automatically. So as you can see, if we offer a package like this to a small business, this is going to be our way of making money if we want to make money as web designers, running an agency, or as freelance designers. So all these tools are really, really amazing, and I find it very exciting now to start designing websites. If I go back 10-15 years, it was more like creating a brochure website where people could just see the about us, the services, just basic websites. Those websites don't really solve a problem anymore. We want websites that solve a solution or solve a problem. Sorry, not solve a solution, solve a problem. So it is very, very important that we group all these products together and offer them as a package. This is the only way that you are going to make a lot of money as a freelance designer or as a design agency. So I am going to be making a video about Fluent Boards tomorrow or after tomorrow, because I really have to play around with it and see the features and really talk about it in great depth, because I think this is something that could benefit you if you are a freelance designer or you are a design agency. I mean, offering these services is going to be fantastic. So let me know what you think. Oh, in fact, I need to talk about the last part, which is promoting these products. Because remember, I mentioned that there's 3 ways of making money with WordPress. The first one is being a developer. The second one is creating websites or solutions for small business. And the third one is promoting these products. Now, promoting these products is pretty much like what I'm doing, where you get a commission by creating tutorials about the product, and if anyone purchases it through your affiliate link, you get a commission. Now, this one is a bit hard because it takes a long time to learn the product, then create the video, edit it. It's a long way. So the safest way, or I would say the most powerful way, is creating websites with these products that these designers are really putting together for us. I really like it's very, very exciting at the moment, and I am going to be making quite a lot of tutorials about this. Now, I know my websites are still not complete yet. I'm almost done. I think by the end of this week, I will be able to have everything up and running on Funnels to Income and Divi University as well. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.